Hello, hello, hello sa lahat ng Taurus. Welcome back to my channel. And sa mga bago dito, ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno. And welcome to my channel kung saan babasahan ko kayo ng inyong Tagalog love reading using Oracle and Tarot cards. So exciting ngayon kasi meron akong bagong tarot deck. So let's see ano yung magiging reading for this week. So what I'll do is a weekly love reading para sa inyo ngayong week ng second week ng February from Feb 9 to 15. Ayan, so tatama siya sa Valentine's Day. So this is a Valentine week. Linggo ng mga puso. So tingnan natin. Excited na ba kayo? So sa Oracle deck na to, I will pull a card that represents yung overall energy ng reading, and then yung tarot would be the details or storyline of the reading, and itong huli would be the advice from the universe. Okay? So, just a reminder, if sana mag-resonate itong reading na to, just a reminder that if hindi siya mag-resonate, it only means na hindi para sa inyo itong reading na to, kaya huwag niyong pilitin. Okay? Abangan nyo na lang yung mga iba pang love reading na ipopost ko sa channel na to. Collective love reading. At collective nga siya, okay? So it may or may not resonate. So kung gusto niyo ng personal reading, nasa baba, nasa description box yung email ko. So kontakin nyo lang ako to inquire. Okay? Sige, simulan na natin. Na-pre-shuffle ko na to, pero balasahin ko lang ulit. At habang binabalasa ko ito, supportan niyo naman po ang aking channel para mag-grow siya at matuloy ko itong pag-read. So, please like, share, and subscribe. And share niyo, comment namin kayo sa baba kung nag-resonate itong reading na to. Okay? So, February, I'll pull the second card. Recreate yourself. Okay. So, anong sinasabi nitong oracle card na to? Recreate yourself. Feel the thrill of the ride. So, whenever you're feeling downcast, each person should vitally remember, for my sake, the entire world was created. It's a quote from Baal Shem Tov. And what you need to reflect is, the idea that God created humanity in His image shows that you were created to create. You are a creative being, not a discovery being. You are the creator of change in your life, because you can choose the direction and actions you take. This is especially so when your choices are different from those you've made in the past. Mentally set aside your ideas of how you think things should be and learn new ways instead of following a routine. This oracle encourages you to think about the unique experiences that make you happy and to behave accordingly. When you start putting your thoughts and ideas into action, they become wired into your brain. This can create a new habit in your life, but it will also lead you to be more positive. Wherever or whoever you are, it is your choice how much effort you put in. Do not blame your destiny if you are not putting effort into your life. Dream, believe, achieve, and live to the fullest. And your mantra is, I allow the universal energy to guide me toward the creative power I have never imagined I could share. I control and change my life. Okay, so ang ganda. So ang sinasabi ng card na to, lalo relate natin sa love reading is, diba, kung gusto mo ng love, you have to put effort as well in it. Okay? So you have to take action. Hindi lang yung gusto mo ng love, nakaupo ka lang dyan. Gusto mo ng love, ayaw mong lumabas. Gusto mo ng magkaroon ng love life, pero ayaw mong makihalubilo sa mga tao, ayaw mong makipagkilala, nahihiya ka, di ba? So, you have to act. Okay? And be positive lang, lagi. Alright? So, yung mga experiences mo Diba? Or kung gusto mo ng experiences na happy, then do something about it. Diba? So, if you want to find love, diba? You really have to find it. Hindi siya yung nasa bahay ka, tapos gusto mo love life, gusto mo may kakatok sa pintuan mo, diba? Diba? So, you go out, date, go on a date. If you wanna try online, then try mo. If you may gusto ipakilala yung friends mo sa'yo, try mo lang, diba? So, and yun nga, feel the thrill of the ride. Diba? Enjoy mo lang yung experiences. Kapag hindi mo trip, or hindi mo feel yung mamimit mo, diba? Thank you, next. Diba? Move on. And enjoy another ride. Diba? So, ganun lang yun. Diba? Pero kung nakaupo ka lang dyan, at wala kang ginagawa, diba? Hindi mo may enjoy. Hindi ka sasakay sa ride, hindi mo may enjoy, diba? Okay, so tignan natin ang inyong love reading this week. Sige, na-pre-shuffle ko na rin naman ito. Basahin ko lang quickly. So, bago tong deck ko, kaya excited din ako na basahan kayo using this. Second card. Page of Pentacles. The Tower. Okay. King of Swords. The High Priestess. Seven of Wands. The Devil. Ano? Ito yung basto. Queen of Wands. And last card, King of Wands. You're the King and Queen of Wands. Ayan, bas si King and Queen of Wands. So, may power couple dito. Okay. So, yan. Mukhang full of love naman to. Itong reading ninyo. However, may mga konting struggles or konting issues lang. Sige, interpret natin. Nagsimula yung card sa Page of Pentacles and ended with the King of Wands. Alright? There's a strong energy of Aries. Okay? And Capricorn. As well as Cancer. Okay? Yun yung strong energy, so this may be the zodiac signs of your person, but doesn't have to. Okay, yun na yung strong energies na nasasagap ng reading na to. Okay, si Page of Pentacles, interpret natin siya. So, si Page of Pentacles is a card of positivity and loyalty. Okay? However, so, your person is someone who's very, optimistic and very loyal siya sa'yo. Okay? However, may revelation na magaganap. Okay? And this revelation relates to the loyalty of that person. So, may konting pagbabago. Actually, feeling ko hindi naman siya literally nagbago dun sa person na yun. Pero ikaw, feeling mo, di ba, na parang nagbago yung loyalty ng person sa'yo. Or pwedeng ikaw to, na alam mong very loyal ka, pero parang something in you na change na parang, diba, magpaka-loyal pa ba ako? Pero hindi, mas na-feel ko yung energy nung kabilang party on that. Na, hindi naman siya na nagbago or nawala. Pero, nagkakaroon ka ng interpretation. And, based siya kasi dun sa, behaviors na na-feel mo dun sa tao na yun. Okay? And High Priestess is a card of intuition, so and self-reflection. Pero again, tignan mo nga muna yung sarili mo. You really have to create yourself. 'Di ba? Na kung feeling mo na may ganong kang nararamdaman towards your person, you have to communicate. And Swords, lumabas si King of Swords. You have to take action when it comes to communication. Kasi Swords is a suit of thoughts and communication. Diba? So you have to take action. Kung nararamdaman mo na yun, use your intuition and kausapin mo na siya. Okay? Kasi lumabas din si Seven of Wands. And si Seven of Wands is being defensive, di ba? Na when it comes to parang, ang nafe-feel ko dito is parang may pagka-defensive and protective ka when it comes to your feelings di ba? To what you want to do sa mga gusto mo na siya talaga actually sabihin kasi may na-feel ko nga na parang may nagbago sa kanya, parang napaka loyal and loving niya sa akin before, but parang ngayon hindi na, diba? So kausapin mo siya kasi, diba, pero parang may naghihinder sa'yo kasi meron kang na-feel sa sarili mo na alam mo yun, sinasabi mo sa sarili mo na hindi okay lang to, di ba? Pero alam mo din na parang gusto mong protektahan yung heart and mind mo. Pero ang nangyayari, nagkakaroon ka ng internal struggle sa sarili mo. Okay? And ayun nga, tinatry mong the devil. I don't see that there's na may masama na masamang tao yung isang person or ikaw. Pero what I sense here, ang nafe-feel ko dito sa the devil energy is that you're trying to manipulate the situation para mag-align siya dun sa gusto mong mangyari sa'yo. Okay? I mean, yung para maging pabor siya sa'yo. Okay? Pero yun nga, na kung nafe-feel mo na may nagbago and gusto mong i-confront yung person na yun, kausapin mo siya in a nice way, okay? Hindi naman din yung parang very confrontational na magli-lead to diba, argument or fight. Okay? Kasi ma-overcome yun yung challenge na to. Diba? Ma-overcome nyo siya. And because Seven of Wands is also a card of overcoming challenges. Okay? So, don't try to manipulate the situation para lang mag-align siya, para maging pabor siya sa'yo. Gawin mo siya dahil yun yung kailangan. And just, parang in connection with the first card na go lang, gawin mo ng action yung mga bagay. Kasi nga kung nakaupo ka lang siya dyan at wala kang gagawin, hindi mo malalaman. Okay? Diba? So hanggang isip ka lang ng isip, pero hanggang dun na lang, ma-stuck ka sa situation na yun. And see, kung makikita natin, ito nga lumabas si King and Queen of Wands. Pero ikaw si King of Wands, siya si Queen of Wands, ikaw si Queen of Wands, King of Wands. So it's nandito yung and this is the power couple din, lalo na sa suit of wands or when it comes to the heart. Okay, so wands is a suit of hearts. Okay, so it's a fire energy and it's about passion and desire and the purpose, and it points to the heart. So ayun, so mahal nyo naman din yung isa't isa and para kayo sa isa't isa. So whatever issues na na-encounter ninyo, dapat ninyo i-resolve agad through proper communication. Okay? So tingnan natin ano yung advice ni universe. Di ba? So, yan. Sige. So, advice of the universe, second card, compassion. Yeah. So, just show some compassion. Diba? Ano ba ang compassion? Diba? Ang compassion is, alam mo, yung naintindihan mo yung feelings and alam mo yung pinagdadaanan ng isang tao. Okay? So, magkaroon ka lang ng simpatya dun sa person mo. Okay? Kasi it will really help. And pag naintindihan mo yung situation niya na whatever yung kala mo nagbago, pero hindi naman talaga. Na-feel ko na hindi naman siya nagbago when it comes to yung love niya towards you, saka yung loyalty niya towards you. Pero may nagbago lang sa behavior niya kung paano niya pinapakita yun, because maybe may pinagdadaanan siya. So kaya usapin mo siya and i-resolve niyo yun agad, diba? And don't try to parang create your own story about it. Okay? So ayun, medyo nag-zoom in lang pala yung video. But anyway, sige. Yun, ako nga pala muli si Mystico Moreno and kita-kits sa susunod na love reading. Salamat. Ingat.